Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential gadget for every driver, the CAMECHO Mirror Dash Cam. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The CAMECHO Mirror Dash Cam is much more than just a rear-view mirror. This innovative device features a 4.5-inch LCD display that provides stunning 1080p video quality, ensuring that you have a clear view of your surroundings at all times. When the screen is off, it functions just like a standard rear-view mirror, seamlessly blending into your car's interior. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its dual camera setup. It's equipped with an HD 1080p front camera that boasts a wide 150-degree view angle, allowing you to capture a broad perspective of the road ahead. Additionally, it includes a waterproof backup camera with a 120-degree viewing angle, providing you with clear video from behind the vehicle simultaneously. This means you can monitor both the front and rear of your car in real time, ensuring you never miss vital details like license plates or road conditions. Safety is a top priority for any driver, and that's where the parking assistance feature comes into play. When you shift into reverse, the dashboard camera automatically displays the rear camera view, complete with reverse guidelines. This helps you navigate tight parking spots with confidence, giving you a better perspective of what's behind you. Another great aspect of the CAMECHO Mirror Dash Cam is its loop recording feature. By adding an external TF card, the camera automatically overwrites old files when storage is full, so you never have to worry about manually deleting footage. This means you can focus on driving without the hassle of managing storage space. Installation is a breeze with this dash cam. Its plug-and-play design allows for easy and secure mounting on most rear-view mirrors, making it accessible for all drivers, whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a new car owner. The user-friendly operation ensures that you can get started quickly without any complicated setup procedures. So, who would benefit from the CAMECHO Mirror Dash Cam? It's perfect for anyone who spends time on the road: commuters,